So tonight, just for documentation purposes, they are literally. I'm knocked out sleep. I turned off both phones. Somehow the phones are turning themselves on and the alarms are going off. They say they want me up. They say they want me smoking. They say that they're bored. They're tired of hearing me snoring on whatever broadcast station they have me on. I'm sick of it. Every single targeted individual is sick of it. And now, in order to wake me up, they finally brought out the helicopter. So when they can't wake me up and I go right back to sleep, they usually bring out the helicopter to fly directly over the house. They say they're rich, they satanic, they got money. That is a tiny ass neighborhood, and that's a tiny ass circle for a helicopter to be flying in. It was flying directly over the house, and now it's not over the house. But it's just circling in that fucking area. I sent out cease and desist letters. I want to say in April. I have to April. But as a targeted individual, that was just to start a paper trail. So yeah, ain't nobody over here. And you know how if they were looking for something, there would be like a spotlight shining. Like if they were actually chasing somebody who's on fucking foot, there would be like a spotlight. No, it's just a damn helicopter circling over. So I'll tell you what they're mad about. They're mad because I created something that helps people go to sleep. They're mad that I created medication, well, not medications, but lotions and creams that protects from their system. They're mad that I've been working the same job for 9 months and they haven't been able to put me in the hospital. And they're mad that I'm building a business and I'm spreading the word out to other targeted individuals. So this here, this is my 4:30 in the morning. This is my 4:30 in the morning. And they're laughing and they're talking shit. But yeah, this is my 4:30 in the morning. Oh, and I also created something that prevents tooth decay and them damaging the teeth throughout the night. They like to damage people's teeth. And I'm probably going to explain that tomorrow. I'm going to let this asshole do like 2 more loops. You know what I'm saying? Like, gas prices ain't too motherfucking high. They got all the money in the world. And what they do is they send out a fucking helicopter to do an endless circle with no spotlight. But it's not just that. It's not just that. It's not just that. They have implants in everyone, so there's no need for them to ever have to search for anyone. The FBI already knows where everyone is. I think the chase is just to put on the show, which is all America is, just a show. They weapons barely work. They direct energy weapons barely work. They can't harm my skin. They can't affect my sleep pattern. Um, the only thing they could do is my data is off. Like when I turned this phone on, the data was off. So that's his second loop. When I turned this phone on, the data was off, but all night this phone has been turning on and off by itself.